Remember?
Yeah.
Can you drive?
Are you driving, Austin?
No.
I'm supposed to move my car. Where did he move it to? Ron moved my car. Ronnie, where's my car?
Just hit your deal. He'll find it.
Do you have your keys?
Do it twice.
Ronnie, now he's filming me.
Just hit it twice. You'll find it.
I am hitting it. I guess I'm not driving.
You're driving.
I'm guessing you know where it's at.
Yeah, but that's cold.
What?
You're cold. Come the.
Camera on my face, paparazzi. Just tell me where it's at.
Just hit it again.
You're filming. Just tell me where
Just
my car
hit
is.
it again. Do it twice. Do it twice again.
No, it's not doing anything. I'm gonna break some phones as well.
Oh, shit. Hit it again. Do it again.
Here, let me
No.
see it.
Give him this. Give me your
Let me
keys.
see your keys.
Where's that at? It's
Dude, you look like a fairy holding your phone.